Hey, how's it going, guys? I am so excited for this video. You see this beautiful little stone pathway that I made with my family for my parents? It is so great. I love this project, so stick around. They had a small stone pathway right here, and basically they just wanted it widened. So step one for this project is to just dig up those other stones that were there and kind of level it off as best as possible. So we are here another day because it just rained for quite a few days. We just went to the Geneva pit, got some sand, brought it here to my dad's. Now he's getting the tractor. We're going to be bringing in loads to just put a nice layer of sand down before we put the stones. So next we will be going to American Stone to pick out and pick up all the stones for our pathway. When we went to American Stone, they were wonderful to work with. They had so many options. They had beautiful stones there. The worker that we worked with was great. And yeah, I give American Stone a 2 thumbs up. So now we are taking the stones off of the trailer and just trying to position them in a good spot. It's great that we have a lot of family members here to help us, especially some boys that can lift these heavy stones. Okay, we are out here on a different day. It is much more cold out here, so I've got a sweater on, and I know Josh and my dad do. But we are very happy with the pattern of the way we laid this path. Now we just have to make sure it is level and it's not gonna have like one stone way above the other or something. So that's what we're doing today, is getting this all leveled the best we can. Okay, that was so much easier getting those fully leveled out than I thought it would with all the manpower that we had. I absolutely love this pathway. It turned out so great. It was a great learning experience for me. It was a great time to spend with my dad and my other family members and my son before he moved away for the Navy. So yes, I am so proud of this project. It's going to be a awesome thing for my parents. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.